Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we have Scott from Putco. How you doing, Scott?
Good. Thanks for having us here today.
Thanks for coming out. So guys, today we're looking at the work blade, and the work blade is great for those people in work applications, like a construction worker, for instance. This is a great option for those kinds of people. Scott, tell us more about the work blade, how it works, what it does, and all the features you baked in here.
Okay. Well, the work blade was a product that came from the concept of our original blade tailgate light bar.
Right.
And the popular blade and all the features were really something that we wanted to bring into another level, and that's where we developed the work blade. The same type of technology is really in the work blade it is in the regular blade. It's chip on board technology, which is more advanced technology. There's over 2,000 LEDs that are on a 60-inch light bar.
Okay.
And once the chip on board is done, then it's fully encapsulated in a polycarbonate. So we're actually going to seal up the unit, and it gives it an IP69K rating, which is the highest rating to keep moisture out of the bar.
Okay.
Over molded edges. It also comes with our patented clip mechanism, where the unit can actually snap into place. It's for easy installs, or if you need to remove to access any kind of spare tires and things of that nature. So what we'll do is we're going to power up this unit here, and I'm going to walk you through a little demonstration of some of the different patterns and the strobing options.
Let's do it.
So we just use this one here, and we're going to show you, we're running an amber white right now, and we're running this one here. We went to a white and amber, we flip back to an amber. We can go all amber, we can go a solid white. We've got, once again, up to 64 different options here, and we'll find one that's really kind of popular and through the Department of Transportation is the white ambers. And you can see here I'm changing the pattern, how fast it pulses and strobes, which are great because that's on the highway at night. A work blade is perfect for those types of applications. And one thing that people also like about the work blade, it's so thin and easy to work with. It's lightweight. It's got flexibility to it. The flexibility is nice because if you use different metals inside the actual bars themselves, they become very hard and brittle. And we have that flexibility with what we use inside the material. It's a gold content.
Now, on to the installation. So in most cases, I will give this a 4 of 10. That really is just because there is some wiring required. If you are comfortable doing wiring, this is probably more of a 2 of 10. But for those of you that aren't comfortable doing any wiring, 4 of 10 is a safe answer. Now, if you have any reservations about doing this yourself, please take this to your local dealer, who'll be more than happy to make this installation happen for you. Now, for those of you that do want to do this installation yourself, I'll give this about an hour or 2 on the timeline. All right, guys, that is a wrap on the work blade. Scott, thanks for coming out today. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, sir. We couldn't have done it without you. Now, guys at home, if you want any more details about the work blade, check the description below the video. We'll have it all listed for you there, from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find the work blade at a dealer near you. Now, if you like the video, please leave us a like. If you love the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.